Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Tengku Muhammad Haziq bin Tengku Muhammad Zukri. And my number is 23 JLS 20F 2040.
Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikal bin Muhammad Zahar. My meeting number is 23 DLS 20F 2043.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Ajrul. I'm from DLS1C. My number matrix is 23 DLS 20F 2039, and I will be talking about the solutions and the conclusions for the green logistics. Without further ado, let's start the video.
So what is a definition of green logistics? So green logistics is to describe all items to measure and minimize the technological impact of logistic activity. This include all activity of logistic, forward and reverse flow of product information and service between the point of origin and the point of consumption. The aim is to create a sustainable company value using a balanced economic and environmental efficiency. Green logistics has its origin in the mid 1980 and was a concept characterized logistic system and approach that when they are used advanced technology and equipment, they can minimize environmental damage during their operation. So what is objective of green logistics? The objective of green logistics is to eliminate the environmental effect in the logistical operation in order to achieve sustainable environmental, cultural, economic and social advantage. So how they eliminate the effect on the environmental? So first of all, they reduce air, soil, water and noise pollution by analyzing the impact of each logistic area, especially those related to transport. Another end that they reduce waste material, and then they reduce gas emission. Because why? Because what? They want to reduce this thing. Because they want to save environment. So this is what green logistics want. They want to save environment.
Thank you Tengku Muhammad Haziq, and I'm going to present you guys about the problem causes of green logistics. For the first, in about 162 billion tons of truck emissions in the world, the availability and price of fuel, and 253 million tons packaging is used annually in the consumer industry. That was half paper and half plastic. The production of paper requires 7 million trees to be felled. And the aerodynamic drag is responsible for 15% of the fuel consumption of the heavy-duty trucks at motorway speed. Okay, the next one is the issues of green logistics. The issues of green logistics is focused on transportation. This is because transportation is more under pressure than consumption, and the logistics contributes 5.5% of total greenhouse gas emissions. The transportation is responsible for 89%, rest due to warehouse and distribution facilities. The next one is the road freight is responsible for more than 50% of carbon dioxide emissions in the transport sector, ocean for 20%, rail and air for the remainder. The difficulties on building consensus at the global level. Thank you. I will give you the next presenter is Nazrul.
Alright, the first solution for the issues in green logistics is transportation. As we know, transportation plays a key role in the process of logistics. It is one of the main reasons that the goods and products can be distributed quickly and safely. That is why the transportation must be used and handled properly. The types of transportation must be used appropriately. For example, the air transport must only be used for expensive items or as a last resort, while the usage of ships for modes of transportation must be reduced because the ships can harm the sea life and pollute the water. That is why the alternative routes must be used in order to reduce the time and the fuel spent, so the goods can be distributed and delivered quickly and safely. Alright, the next solution is the waste produced in the warehouse must be reduced and recycled so it can be sustained for a long time. For example, the waste must be sorted according to the materials, such as paper, plastic, glass, and organic materials to be organized and recycled back. Both green logistics and reverse logistics process are similar because they use the term reuse many times. The only significant difference is that reverse logistics focus more on the cost of the process and to gain profit, while the green logistics focuses more on the issues and the recycling part. In conclusion, for the green logistics, the awareness considering the environment must be spread because green logistics can result in lowering the environmental impacts since the materials and the components can be reused. Applying a green logistics system to any supply chain will require a substantial amount of research, planning, and risk analyzing. There are a number of issues that may affect service maintenance performances and costs if a green system or green logistics is implemented in them. Therefore, we must be saving costs by using eco-friendly techniques such as buying eco-friendly plastic bags rather than the plastic bags that you used to buy, because we must think what will happen about the future generations, because they will also be living on the same planet Earth for like us for a long time, which is why the concept of green logistics should be at the source of any firm's supply chain strategies, which will help prepare a company for the future, which inevitably must be sustainable for a long time. That's all from us. Thank you very much.